Hi Trey. Okay, so yeah, you know what I think's happening? Let's just have a quick peek at the index page. I will show you. And what I think is, as the page loads up, there's some animation bits and pieces that come in. Okay, especially behind the video. Now, because the video is going to take just a couple seconds to load, here's what I'm going to suggest we do. There's about two or three things we could actually do, but it would change the overall effect of the page as it is, because as it goes boom, this is probably what you're seeing. Bang, Facebook comes in, grabs a screen capture, and then you're gone, right? But all these bits and pieces here just take a second or two to load in. So I'll show you what we could suggest anyways. In the site, and we have the styles, and then we have the pages folder, we have the index.css. And right here, the video background cover. See the background color? We make this an image. Okay, so we either take a screenshot image or just a picture, put a picture in there that the video would eventually, this would eventually fade out and display. Because let me explain here. As soon as we load up, what happens? See this color here? That is the cover. That is this thing right here. If we actually change this, and you can do this yourself just to try. See, we're going to scrub out everything up to the background, hit the colon, and then we're going to go to URL. Just sort of mouse down, hit enter. And then we're going to go to site, themed images, and let's go to sections or backgrounds. Let's go to sections. And select like Parallax 4. And click OK. Alright, and then we're going to save, and I'm just going to refresh the page and let's see what happens. Boom, as soon as it loads up, now you get a picture in there, okay? And then this stuff here sort of animates and fades into place, and then that picture fades out and the actual video goes in. So that's sort of thought number one, okay? Boom, load up, at least you got a picture there, right? But you see how everything else in the page sort of animates and fades in? Well, you may want to just have it instantly show up in that, if that's the case. And to do that, I'm going to put this on pause here and figure out where to go so you don't have to watch me painfully stumble through your site here. Okay, what we have here in the site JavaScript theme init file, right down at the very bottom, there's 3 chunks of script starting with this tagline right here. There's all this right here. All this is a script that animates those bits and pieces in. So we have the tagline, the menu top, and the social icons. If we were to remove all of this, I'm just going to delete this for now. We actually have to go into the shared, and we have to do a little bit more tweaking. But actually, so let's do this second part. Let's go into the shared.css first, which is right here. And we're going to remove from the menu top, display none. Then we have to go find, and that's on line 230. And then we're going to do the, now we're looking for the, so that was the menu top, so we're looking for the tagline. I need to go find that. And we're looking for probably a, okay, that one's fine. And then we're looking for social icons. I just wanted to see if there's any display none. Okay, display none there for the social icons. Okay, so let's say we remove those two things. Then in the theme init, we remove all this stuff down the bottom. And just save. That was a little bit fast, I'm sorry. Alright, where it says tagline all the way down to the bottom, let's just remove all that and save. Let's go back to our page and see what happens now. Boom, instant load. The only thing that doesn't load is the bits and pieces in here, the carousel part. Everything else was right there. It's in the page right away, and then this stuff comes in here, and that you can actually change as well. That would be like part number 4. So we're going to go to our components and our carousels and our welcome LBI, and go to code view, and the very first one we have here. Okay, see this delay 200? So if we actually flip it over, we find the message number 1 thing here, but we flip it over and we look for delay 200, 250, 300, 350, 400. That's the delay in seconds that this particular slide waits before it displays the information, but we can change that. We can get rid of the delay. and wherever it has delay dash and a number, just get rid of that off the very first one. Save to update. Cool, done. Index page isn't open, good. And then I'm just going to go and refresh it and see that. I'm going to hit the refresh and those things come in right away. Okay, so that may be a better solution for you, so it'll be a lot faster, right? You don't have that cool animation effect, but if Facebook is a concern and a priority, then maybe it's a good idea to try that.